detail breaking down strategies on how you can search up your competitors, right? And see what type of ad copies, right? What type of ads they're running to give you an idea on how to launch your own campaigns in your credit repair business. I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like this video, right? Matter of fact, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because I always drop value and you guys are gonna actually love this content that I'm releasing. All right, so let's go into my computer and I'm gonna show you guys on how to actually utilize the Facebook ads library to actually dissect your clients, right, or your customers, and actually understand what type of ads they're running. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so it's Godwin here. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down to you guys on how to find other advertisers that's actually promoting the same category, right? It might be credit repair, it might be financing, it might be funding, whatever it could be, right? I'm going to actually show you guys how to find your competitors, quote unquote, and see what type of ad copy they're utilizing and just to do some in-depth research about them, right? So now what we're going to do is, what you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com/ads/library. Make sure you are signed into your business ad manager to be able to access this. What we're going to do is we're going to go to where it says search ads, and we're going to click where it says ad category. And in ad category, we're going to go down to where it says credit. Once it says credit, then we want to type in anything regarding credit repair. We can put in credit. We can type in credit repair. Let's do that. So we'll type in credit repair. And when we type in credit repair, what's going to actually happen is it's going to show us multiple people that are running ads regarding credit repair. Now, there's different categories of ways you can search this to find people that don't have a credit repair name or Facebook business page and so forth, right? So if you look at this, you can see Audrey's Credit Repair, Audrey's Credit Repair, MD Credit Repair Solution. This is an ad copy. This is a creative, right? So scores are not looking good. We get it. We've been there too. Why work with us? Have a peace of mind. Won't worry about paying an arm and a leg. We generate results in little as 45 to 90 days, right? And you can be able to click on their link to see exactly how their funnel is structured, right? Their process, and so forth, right? So we don't want to see that. And you can go ahead and look at, like I said, there's multiple companies on here rolling. You can go ahead, Credit Repair Clean. You can actually see how their funnel is structured. And, you can be able to, have an idea of how to actually structure your funnel, how their, booked appointment is structured. We can scroll down. We can look at their ad copy. We can look at HTP credit financials. We'll click learn more. Let's see how their website and structure is set up, right? And it gives you an idea, right, of how, how many ads this specific company is running. So let's just say that we said see ad details, right? We can usually see, hold on, let me back up real quick. Okay, so this is just one. They have 2 ads using this creative. 2 ads using this creative. Oops, I went backwards, sorry. There's another one, Green's Financial Service. He's using the Instagram DM model where you have to click send a message. It could be either Instagram or Facebook, right? See ad details, 2 ad creators in there, 2 ads, 5, Credit Repair King, Chelsea's Credit Repair. Let's see what their structure is. Click download to get your free book. So we click download. So basically they're probably using a model of building out their email list and their SMS list to be able to offer them credit repair. So they're basically going in and offering them a free, basically giving them free content in exchange for their information. And of course you can utilize that to the full potential, right? So there's different targeting that you can actually use on here. Not targeting, different ways you can actually utilize this to your full potential. This is another funnel as well. So I just wanted to actually show you guys this so you can have an insight on how you can find other advertisers in your niche, in your category of business that you can be able to, do some in-depth research and get some data on their business, right? So I want to show you guys one more thing. So instead of us doing credit, we're going to go to where it says housing, right? We're going to use credit repair, right, as well. And then you're going to notice that you see other advertisers as well using housing in the credit repair space, right? So this is the cool thing about this. You can, it's credit wealth journey, see ad details. You can utilize and see what type of copies they're using. And you don't even have to type in credit repair. You can just type in credit, and it will go from literally 300 to 5,200, right? So this is a method, like I said, that we utilize when it comes to actually finding out what type of creative you can, what type of ad copies you can create. Just to give you an idea, a lot of our students that get into scalable credit, they sometimes it's people make it difficult than what it is to create an ad copy. And you can actually pay people through Fiverr as well to actually create an ad copy in your business, right? For your ads or for your emails and so forth. So hopefully you guys got the gist of how to actually dissect and find, find your competitors and see what type of ads they have running, and just to have an idea, right? So, if you guys are watching this video, hopefully you guys love this. I hope you guys, enjoy it. Let's go.